Oh, is it the Jolly Green Giant? Oh, wait, it's the Hulk! And, oh no, he's getting angry! That's not good! You're not supposed to make him angry! And that's even before he's already the Hulk! Wow, he smashed us right into DC Comics! It's the Joker! Huh, the hero makes a mess, and the bad guy cleans it up? That's new. And he's got the perfect thing to fix this chair. Noodles. All you need to do is sand it into shape. And add a fresh coat of paint. But while the brush is out, maybe we can take a little inspiration from Harley here. And use more than that one color. Looks like teeth, gums. Expect nothing less from the man who laughs. Careful, you of all people know not to leave fingerprints lying around. But maybe he can put this little accident to better use. Pour some gypsum into the shape we've made. Destroy the evidence. Ah, come on, don't act like you don't know how. Now that it's dry, let's give it a paint job. Yeah, red and green. Great for the Joker. Also, Christmas. It can give you a helping hand holding all your loose rings and such. And anything else you need. Harley needs to learn to be less rough with these dolls. Don't worry, we can save her. Much better. But while we're here, it's time for a makeover. Let's start from scratch. And they say there's no quick way to get abs. A new hairstyle, some face paint. Yeah, it's all coming together. Now the Joker has his own little mini-me. But a new toy doesn't mean we should ignore our old ones. After all, we can use them in our next craft. Just add hot glue to their backs and add to a light. Add as much as you can and add some paint. We've got a bunch of golden boys now. Think they like cheesecake? Oh, that shade is too plain. We can recycle this old comic book. Rip it up. Just make sure it wasn't one of those first edition collectibles. With some vintage stuff, we could afford just to buy a new lamp.
Yes.
This tube's giving him his next craft idea. We'll need to make a mold matching the tube shape. Add a wick and pour on some melted wax. They'll dry into the coolest candles. Looks like date night with Harley's off to a great start. Now where's that remote? Even better, food. And look at this nifty box it all came in. For our next craft, let's cut it into shapes. We'll need to hot glue some pieces together too. Leave holes for the eyes. It's a mask, a very familiar mask. Looks like the Joker's switching sides, and I don't just mean villain to hero. What a cuddly teddy bear. Oh no, what happened? It's time for an investigation. Man, all this cotton just lying around sure is convenient. That's not supposed to be there. Let's add our valuables. Need to put them somewhere, and the freezer's too obvious. Let's sew them up, but not too tightly. It's your money. You might need it now, or soon, at least. Well, the walls are a mess, but at least it's rent controlled. Besides, it's fun thinking up crafts with these leftover pipes. Let's just hope these really are just leftover. Now you've got a crate just perfect for all your toys. After all, it's one way to keep the hyenas out of your stuff. This closet's a mess. Maybe Barbie here can help. Just take her apart. Probably could have been a little more gentle, but we got what we needed. Secure the parts together, making sure that a hook sticks out. We can hang clothes from the legs. Who better than a fashion icon to help fix up your wardrobe? Could be worse. Could have been pointy things inside those boxes. Maybe we can put these boxes to better use. Cut them up so they can slide together and build a seat. Don't forget to cover it up. What else can we add? Oh, a neck pillow is so relaxing and therapeutic. I guess there's a reason most couches aren't made of cardboard. Harley is the master of the mixed message. Good idea. Let's distract ourselves with a fun game of cards. Even better, pour some epoxy resin to make cards part of the design. Some wax fruit's also a nice touch. I said wax, don't eat it. An LED light strip? Oh, I wonder what he's got planned for this. That teddy bear is the gift that keeps on giving. All this cotton makes a cloudy border, complete with a sky full of stars. Checkmate! But even if you don't know how to play, you can still have a lot of fun with a chessboard. Hot glue the pieces in place and decorate. Now, it's a brand new wall decoration. One that can hold all your things. Wow, he's got a lot of bras. Looks like we need some stronger wood. What to do, what to do? Aha, blocks. They're sturdy, and we can add as many layers as we need. That should hold. Why stop at the shelf? Cover the whole thing in blocks. Everything has a place. Wait, what the? Someone broke into our cubby. Who would do such a thing? Well, I guess that's a nice cover, but we need something with a little more stick. That's the trick, double-sided tape. It's like a one-man Brady Bunch. While we're at it, let's tackle those walls. Well, if something works, it works. I think a knob's missing from this thing. Maybe another craft will save the day. Pour some hot glue in this cupcake mold. Add glitter, because, well, glitter. Add a small screw or nail before it dries. It can help you open the drawer. Good, he needed a new coat of lipstick. Oh, the walls are shedding again. Like a cat you don't need to feed. These CDs might help. They can cover it up. Now that it's done, it's time for a karaoke party. This whole room looks wonderful. You'd never realize the Hulk ran through here. Oh, someone heeded my advice on fingerprints. You've got all these new things to play with. And plenty of old stuff to play with, too. You know, maybe I was a bit too quick to blame the Hulk for all this mess.
Superhero-roic stuff!
Catch you next time.